we tell you, buy them from a brick and mortar location, not just an online drop shipper, because these come in a million pieces. And everybody always asks me, well, there's directions, right? No, there are no directions. Why? Because the manufacturer doesn't want the end user putting them together. They want the dealers to put them together. But you still have people that open an online business that just drop ship these, never see them, don't know anything about them, don't know how to put them together, can't give you any type of technical support because they've never even seen them, let alone put one together. So this is what it starts like, and I'll take another video after we're done. But that's why you buy it from a brick and mortar location that actually holds inventory, like Extreme Motor Sales. Because when you do get it, and a lot of people do want to assemble them, but sometimes they need assistance, the good news is we assemble them and we know how to assemble them, so we can also help you and assist you when you get yours. So stop in at Extreme Motor Sales. All new crossover 200s are in stock.